Hey guys, it's Miss KM here. I hope you're all doing fine and great because I am. So, guys, this is from a grade 9 math past paper, and as you can see, coming from the first question, it allocates to 3 marks. Coming to the second question, it allocates to another 3 marks. In total, it is 6 marks. 6 marks isn't something that you would want to lose, right? Exactly. Let's get to it then. So it says here, simplify. Now remember, simplify, it's basically breaking it down into its smallest and simplest form. Now, as you can see here, this is what you need to understand. It's that these two questions requires you to know your exponent laws and when and how to apply them. So coming to this one, as you can see, we have R and S. Basically, you know how to do like terms and non-like terms. So let's get our like terms on one side and the other like terms on the other. So R -2 plus 4 multiply by S -5 plus minus is equivalent and basically the same as negative. So -2 there. Okay, so -5 minus 2 over R2 is 6. Now you know that is going to be R2 multiplied by S to the power of -7 over R2 and then S6. So -2 plus 4 is 2 and -5 minus 2 is -7. That's what I did there. Now you know your exponent laws. You minus, okay? It's like saying, for example, if I have 2 to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 2, what would you do? You would keep the base. You'd say 3 minus 2, and that would give me 1, basically. So that's what I did there, subtracted. Multiply S to the power of -7 minus, okay? You know that's the same as S, so S to the power of -7 minus 6, put it in brackets so that you avoid your answer getting wrong and confusion as well. Then R to the power of 0. Now anything to the power of 0 is 1. You can even punch on your calculator 1000 to the power of 0. It is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So that we can discard basically, and this is S to the power of -13, or you can write it as 1 over S to the power of 13. Either way, your answer is still right. So your 3 marks come by just doing this, by your answer, as well as doing this. That is it, guys. That is your 3 marks. Now this one. Like I said earlier, anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So that's why you get 5p. Plus anything to the power of 0 is what? 1. So your p is left because this in bracket to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So this one goes away. That's why I said 5 multiplied by p is 5p. Now for this one, it is -4p squared. How did I do that? It is simple. You know this is to the power of 2. There's a negative here. 2p multiplied by 2p is what? 4p squared. And your negative comes in. That's where I got my -4p squared. That will give me 6p. Remember, invisible one is here. Now if you punch this on your calculator, 6 over -4, it is what? -3 over what? 2. So that -3 over 2, keep it there. Okay? Now you know your exponent rule. This one. It is what? P to the power of -1, which means 1 over P, right? Oops. It means that, right? So 1 is already here, which it's invisible, and your P is there. This is your 3 marks. Okay guys, it has come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for any new video of mine that pops up. Thanks guys.